Now we have copied the working field into the U disk. Now insert it into DSP, and we will wait and press the run button. You can see the DSP have read the U disk field, and press OK, and we will select this in C field and press OK, and we can see we can change some parameters like working speed and faster speed. Here we set all 6 meters, and we can set the speed scale to be small, as the first line will be deep, and so we need to be a little slow, like 0.3. So it will be 1.8 meter per minute, and the fall down of Z axis is small, is this fine, and then press OK. We can see the spindle starts to run, and DSP, this is S8. S means the spindle has starts to run. And then now we can change the working speed during the working. We can press Y positive. So you can see this number has changed, and the working speed is faster. When it becomes 1, it will be 6 meters per minute working speed. And we can change the spindle speed during work by this button. You can see this S8. We can press C negative to be 7. But of course, for wood working, we need the full speed. And during work, if you want to stop the work and want to work tomorrow, so we can stop the work. Press the cancel. You can see the DSP will give our information if we want to save the break. Of course, we will save and press OK, and then we can press the number 1. Okay, so when we want to start the working again, we can press the we have a direct way to use the resume work function, and we can press the run button, and we add the number 1 at the same time as we use the 1 breakpoint. So we choose this and press OK.